Hello and welcome everybody. HPQ stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's start. So according to what we want, HPQ is still popular for a lot of people because if we went for 1 day and here it 1 week, it's going to give us such a thing that is going to be different a little bit from another stocks that's goes to be referring back for what we want on this stock according to the price that we actually want for today. Is going to be about the HPQ uh, movements. So that means that 0 and 1 Fibonacci level here is going to be applied on the parts that didn't happen in its waves. And since this is the resistance, this is going to be the support that maybe has its reachment, and this will give us an increase in momentum next time. So that the HPQ is still popular right now, and then it decrease in momentum. So that goes to be about what we want on this video. Okay, and that is actually the price that we go for the HPQ, and hope you benefit from what we have explained on this video, and good luck on another episode of the HPQ price prediction and news today.